Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Over here, guys, okay, over here, I only focus on the charts. I only focus on the facts. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button, guys, because I'm all about winning, guys. That's it. I don't care about nothing else but making money and winning. Okay. Right now, the market is going up, so we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk to see if what do I see? Do I see the market going up and reversing, or what's going on here? Okay. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. And basically, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Okay. Right now, it is 1:05 p.m. Eastern time, so I don't see anybody in the chat room right now. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna keep this live stream going. If you guys have any questions, please type it in. I know the time right now it is 1:05, so I don't know what's going on. Here we go. I got one person here. Yay! Eric, what's going on? What's going on, Eric? So, I think the live, for some reason, the live just came late. But anyway, so what's going on with with Bitcoin? Are we going up? We're going to talk about that, but let's first talk about CoinMarketCap. Let's refresh this. The market cap is actually going up at right now is actually at 138 billion. The Bitcoin dominance is at 53.4. The volume is still high, which is it's not high, but it's decent. And now we actually seen double digits in the green side. Okay, so I know a lot of people are happy, or I'm quite sure a lot of people are still nervous, but some people are happy. I didn't really get to watch YouTube today, so I don't know if there's a lot of moon videos or people saying that this is the bottom. I don't know, but it is what it is. Like I said, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Shout out to Sandy, shout out to Steve G, shout out to you guys coming in early. Okay, coming in early. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's see if I see anything going on here. All right. So all I see, guys, is the market is going above. Hold on for a second, guys. Hold on for a second. What's going on here? I don't know if you hear my daughter in the background. So the market broke out of this channel. Okay. So what I'm looking for is to see how it reacts to this swing high. Okay, so if it goes to this swing high or one of these swing highs, I want to see how it reacts to it, and we can go from there. That's if it even goes up that high. Okay, it might not even go up that high. But once it goes to these swing highs, I want to see how Bitcoin reacts to this level. Okay, I really don't want you guys to get too excited when it comes to this move right here. It's just a regular pullback, and you want confirmation before you call anything the bottom. Okay, this thing could easily create another sell-off candle the next day. But the weekly is actually green. Okay, the weekly is green, so I want to keep my eye on that. Keep my eye on the weekly and see how far we go up. Okay, so if we go up to the 46, we'll see. So let's go back to the 4-hour. Yeah, so that's what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing is a possibility we can actually go to the swing high right here. I want to see if we're going to catch some type of resistance. But in the meantime, if Bitcoin can't even go up to these highs, most likely we will continue to go and make lower lows. Okay. So let's see if I see any questions here. Shout out to you guys here. Vingo, Glenn, Davina, Cedric, Chris. Do you consider this a huge pullback than normal? Oh, no, that's the average. This is average. It's nothing, you know. I mean, we had crazy pullbacks earlier this year. You know, just look at these, you know, these big pullbacks right here. Another big pullback right here. Another big pullback right here. So I don't really consider this nothing crazy. You know how many times we see crazy, nice size green bars, and then all of a sudden the next day or the next week it decides to go back down. Okay. Now, if tomorrow doesn't sell off, which is I believe Thursday, we might have a green week. So this candle on a weekly might continue to either continue to go up or stay green. Okay, so we might have a green week this week. Following, so if we have a green week this week, next week, it's a possibility that it's going to start off green. Okay, but just because it start off green doesn't mean it's going to end green. So we got to keep an eye on that too. All right. If you guys have any questions, please type in your questions here, all right, in the chat box. But that's what I'm seeing with the Bitcoin chart. Let's see if I see anything else with these other charts. I don't think I see nothing. Yeah, these other charts are looking a little bit weak. Of course, Bitcoin is going to. I mean, we had a little pop from Ethereum. Let's see how Litecoin is looking. And guys, you have to expect these pullbacks. Okay, you have to expect them. Like I said, the market never goes straight down. It always have pullbacks. So don't be that guy that try to buy the bottom. Okay, please don't be that guy that's trying to buy the bottom. TRX big pump. Let me see TRX. Let's look at TRX real quick. Yeah, so TRX, nice little size pump, but TRX is actually like 1 cent anyway, so you know you expect some type of pump. So TRX, we broke out of this consolidation, so it's going right back to the breakout. And you know, just be careful. We might find resistance at this breakout right here, just to go right back down. So right now everything is up, which is good. Okay. But I do expect more to the downside. I definitely do. But the 3,500, you know, that 3,500 was a good number for them to actually do some type of bounce, right? Because, I mean, the way we came out of that breakout, it was very strong. So I definitely expect some type of breakout. I mean, some type of pullback. Now, since this is the first decent move to the upside when it out of this breakout, you really can't expect it to be the one that's going to you know, go up far. Okay, we have to see. It has to prove itself. That's why that's why you should never ever try to buy the bottom, because you know, if you're buying the bottom, the market really didn't prove to you that it's the bottom. Okay. So this right here, you know, this could be another setup. So just be careful, guys. All right. Let's see XRP. Okay, XRP is at 38 cents. And you know, I mean, the bar is okay. It's nothing crazy, but again, it's right at the it's right at this EMA right here. Now I know a couple of people gonna say, "Hey man, lower lows on XRP." Well, the same reason or the same thing they said about Bitcoin, and it still crashed. So just be careful, guys. Do not be that dude that's trying to buy the bottom. So let's see if I see any questions. Please type your questions. I know right now this is the afternoon, so I'm probably not gonna have a lot of people in the chat room or on a live. But you know, if I have time, I might do another live today. Who knows? But you know, if you guys have any questions, please type in your questions. Okay, I'm quite sure you guys that's watching me right now, you know, you have at least one question. And if you didn't hit that subscribe button, guys, please, if you didn't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, because over here, I told you my channel is all about making money now. All right. I really don't believe in waiting 5, 10, 20 years when there's money right in front of your face. Okay. I don't believe that. The only reason why a lot of people want to work a 9 to 5 and are willing to retire at the age of 65, the only reason why is because they are these guys don't know what's out here. They don't understand that there's money right in front of their face. They don't understand that because we've been brainwashed by society. Okay, so I want you guys to understand there's a lot of money to be made, and you have to do the right things, though. You can't just be that guy that comes in crypto by the bottom and think you're gonna, you know, be rich tomorrow. You can't be that guy, because if you're buying the bottom right now, you're guessing. Okay, that's not the game I want you guys to play. I want you guys to be professionals. I want you to have a strategy, have a system in place. Okay, I want you guys to study. I want you guys to practice. This is how you become a professional. Not buying bottoms and you know, losing money. Let's see if I see any questions here. All right. What's going on, John? Adele? Do you expect for further falls? Yes, I do expect us to continue to go down. Right now, what you are seeing is just a regular pullback. All right. It's just a regular pullback in a bear market. So we went down quick, right? Real quick. And I was expecting some type of pullback. Okay. So we got it already. We got it today. Okay. Now we have to see if Bitcoin wants to go up to at least 46, 48-ish. Okay. We want to see if it can actually go up that high. Now, if Bitcoin can go up to 46, that's telling me that is weak. All right. I want to see, because today is Thursday. I mean, actually today is Wednesday. I want to see if tomorrow is going to be another green day. Okay, so if tomorrow's another green day, most likely we're going to close the week up green. Okay, we're going to have a green week. So if we have a green week, that means that most likely next week is going to start off green too. But just because it start off green, it doesn't mean it's going to end green. So we have to see how this week and next week pans out. Let's see if I see any more questions here. Did you get some gains? You say, did you get some gains? Thanks to you, I did. Shout out to Ray. He said thanks to me, he did. So I'm guessing that. Let me hit that ka-ching button for you. I'm guessing that you went long. Ray Thomas, you went long, or what you did? You went long, you went short. No, I didn't make any gains from this pop because I don't like to buy when the market is going down like this. But you know, I was day trading today. Okay, so I made gains on my day trade, but not the cryptos. Trying to see, do we wait? I guess that's what you're trying to say. Wait for the confirmation before buying, Ben? Yes. Okay. So confirmation to me is not one green bar. Okay. Confirmation for me is actually the market making higher highs and finding support. Okay. Honestly, we haven't made higher highs this year or found some type of support to the upside. It's just been making lower lows, lower highs, and just dropping every single day. Well, actually every single month. So right now we're not doing anything. We're just going down and pulling back. Okay. So this is not enough confirmation to do anything right now. Is there buy opportunity on XRP? XRP? No, I don't think so because the overall market is bearish. So I don't know if you talking about a short-term scalp. Okay, because what you're seeing right now is just the XRP reacting to this trend line right here. Okay. Now, I don't know if you're talking about a short-term scalp. Like I said, I don't. Me personally, I don't like buying in the bear market. But is it opportunities to the long side? No, I think we are still going to see some more downside. You really don't want to be that guy that's buying the first dip. Okay, these guys get wrecked. What happens to BTC when the Circle coin is added to pair options? I don't know. You asking me what happens? Like, I'm trying to figure out exactly because I don't know anything about that. I was just listening to you yesterday. That's different courses. Can you elaborate on a moment when you get a chance? You said two different courses. What do each courses offer? A course, email updates, anything will help. Shout out to Chris Stevens. So Chris Stevens, I have this right here, okay, which is the crypto grabber course. All right, and this course will tell you, not tell you, but show you how to make money in a bull and bear market. All right, and I usually give a discount, so let me do that right now since you brought it up. Now the original price is $300. I just gave you guys that 50% discount, but this course is about learning how to read the trends, learning how to get into the market, learning how to exit the market, learning how to put your stop loss in, make proper trades, create monthly income for yourself, okay? Because a lot of people don't even know how to do that. So this is the goal with this, to create that monthly income for you, okay? Let me give you guys that link. Now, my day trading course, okay, if you want that, you have to email me. Like I said, I might bring that day trading. I might have the page up probably tomorrow or something. But you can email me for the day trading course if you are interested in that. That has to do with day trading the futures market. All right. I day trade crude oil. Okay. Monday through Friday, and that has to do with making money daily. Okay, so buy crypto is about crypto market swing trading. I don't day trade the crypto market. I don't believe it's a good market to day trade. I think it's a good market to swing trade though. Now, if you want to day trade, make money daily and weekly, the futures market is a great market to day trade. I have students already making a lot of money from the day trading already. And you, like I said, you just have to email me for that. If you don't have my email address, this is it right here. Let me give you my email address real quick. So let's go back to these questions here. David say beer. Yeah, man. And, you know, you guys, you have to really understand, okay? The market, if the market was bearish, okay, for 11 months, don't expect it to turn bullish, you know, just 1 month out of the year. Okay, it been bearish the whole year, so just be careful. Now, another thing that I didn't discuss, this is a possibility. Okay, another possibility with this up move, which I don't think it's going to happen, but it could happen. Okay, it's a possibility. The next possibility is we can test the breakout. So the market a lot of times loves to test the breakout. So we broke out of this level right here. All right, so it's a possibility that Bitcoin can actually go all the way back up to test the breakout. All right, so it could go back to maybe I don't think it's gonna go all the way back to 6,000 probably, but probably the breakout around like 56, 5,700. So that's a possibility too. That's another possibility. Okay. Now, if it does that, that means that there's a lot of resistance right here, and when it hits that level, probably it's going to sell off. Okay, but you have to understand. I don't think we're going to go up that high. I'm just saying. I'm trying to give you guys another possibility. Okay. So just keep that in mind too. And also you asked me, was it email updates? I have updates. I have updates with the course. Actually, not email updates, but anytime I have a thought that I have to, or something that I have to tell you guys, I will put it in a Discord room. So this course right here comes with a Discord, and a day trading course comes with a Discord. And, you could talk with me and my students. And you said the course for each classes. So if you don't have the crypto course, the day trading course would be like $950. But if you have the crypto course already, it would be $750 for you. But the day trading course, it actually comes with both courses. So if you have the day trading course, it comes with the crypto course too. So you could get two courses in one. Let me see here. Hey Ben, on your day trading, what charts do you use, and how much do you cost the access? I use Sierra charts, and it doesn't cost anything. Okay, when you open up a account, the broker that I have, it doesn't cost anything. Let me see if I see any questions here. Let me see. I'm trying to see. Okay. Can you make a monthly subscription for swing trading tips on when to get on the trades, live subscribers, when to get moved? Lance, shout out to you, Lance. I thought about that, Lance. I thought about that. But I don't want that responsibility. Okay. I can do that. I thought about it all day, but I don't want that responsibility. Because that means that's a whole nother game. I'm trying not to do something like that. And also, what I really want you guys to not rely on me. Okay, if I do something like that, that means you have to rely on me. I mean, what if, you know, I'm on vacation or something, you know, vacation, or, you know, going away for 2 months, then you guys are screwed. So I want you guys to, you know, become professionals and work and build up your own skills. Chris said, "Heck no! I'm trying to retire at the age, what age you talking about? I'm trying to enjoy my family. Yeah, shout out to you, bro. Yeah, man. You know, the way society is set up, they want us to retire. Actually, I think retirement is actually not 65 no more. I think it's 67, if I'm not mistaken. I think they went up to 67, right? So I think they want us to work until 67, and you know, watch. I swear, watch. They're gonna keep on raising the age. You know, they're gonna say 69, and they're gonna say 70. It's ridiculous, guys. You know, you gotta retire till you know, until you turn 70. Like, crazy. And it's crazy it's to the point where some people retire, but they still have to work, right? Asa said, "Can you talk more about the day trading course? What you want to know? You know, ask some questions. It's basically showing you. I trade the crude oil. Okay, so crude oil is the oil market. All right, and all you have to do is just follow the trend. All right. But in my course, I lay out everything for you guys. I did all the hard work. I've been doing this for you know, 11 years, so I did all the hard work. I show you guys exactly the setups that I'm using every single day. This is crude oil right here. Let me go to you know, right now, today it was at first it was choppy and then went up. Actually, when it went up right here, we was finding support right here, and I actually took a long when the market was going up, and I rolled it up here. Okay, it was a nice little trade. But crude oil is basically like anything else. You have to follow the trend. Okay, that's why I tell you guys, stop buying the dips. Okay, because if you buy the dips, it's going to be hard for you to actually make consistent money. So let's say, okay, let's say that I was in. I was day trading crude oil, okay, and I said, man, I think crude oil is going to go up, right? And I'm buying the dips. I'm buying the dips. I'm buying the dips. You know how much money I would lose? Okay, that's why you can't go based on your feelings. You have to go based on the system. All right, and you basically you're looking at the trend of the market, and you're taking setups at you know, support and resistance. And you really have to understand how much profit you have to take, where to put your stop loss, you know, things like that. But the course is strictly about showing you how to extract money from the futures market on a daily basis. All right. Like I said, I don't know exactly what else information you want from that. You know, just let me know. If you want to know, do I use indicators? No, I don't use any indicators. Strictly, I use price, and that's it. The candlesticks. Would you be surprised if Tron went to 0? Shout out to you, Lance. I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't be surprised, because the way Bitcoin is looking, it's a possibility Bitcoin will go down to 1,000 or above 1,000. So just think about it. If Bitcoin goes down to 1,000 and below, imagine where Tron is going to be. Imagine where XRP is going to be. Okay, XRP is another small coin, right? Right now, XRP is at what, 38 cents. So XRP is going to be probably under 1 cent. What else? Imagine ADA. Imagine all these small coins. Okay, these coins is just gonna get, you know, wiped out. And not only those coins, but you know, Litecoin. I mean, imagine what Litecoin is gonna be, bro. So, it's a possibility Tron can go to zero or close to it. If Bitcoin goes that low. What's your pullback limit? What do you mean by that? Let me know. I'm trying to figure out what you mean by that. What's my pullback limit? Ben, you passed my question. Your question. Let me see. I passed your question. Let me see. What's your question, Ben? Why resistance and support of old transaction make people stop selling and buying? What's the base for this behavior? Shout out to you. I didn't see that question. I get a lot of questions, but shout out to you. So you said, what is the reason why it stops? People stop selling that. Basically, people will tell you supply and demand, or people will tell you a lot of stuff. The answer I'm going to give you is I think the market is based on some type of mathematical formula. I think they're using some type of algo to read the market and control the market, and when it hit these levels, it just automatically sells. Okay, it has to do with just the computer, you know, controlling the market. That's my only guess I can give you. Okay, because people say that supply and demand or the psychology of the market, blah blah blah. You know, they would tell a lot of people tell you a whole bunch of reasons. Honestly, I don't think that's the reason. I think that it's a formula that the market is following, and they use these formula all the time. Okay, they use this formula daily, and that's why you see patterns repeat themselves. You will see support and resistance. It is what it is. You know, that's how everything is calculated. I don't think it's just human beings, you know, at that level selling. All right, so let's see here. Let me go to these questions here. And shout out to you guys that's here, man. If you are looking or follow me for the first time, you can also type in a question. And not only that, hit that subscribe button, because I know some of you guys are tired of losing money, and you want to figure out how to read the market, okay? Because my channel, guys, I told you guys all, you know, I'm going to tell you guys from now on that this channel is all about making money now, NOW, okay? I don't have time to wait 2 years, 3 years, 5 years down the road, because especially our generation, we don't have time, because I believe we may have some type of crazy global collapse, and it's going to catch you off guard. And next thing you know, you're gonna go, you know, and you know, you're gonna go to your job. The boss is going to call you in the office and say, you know, I thank you for your service, blah blah blah. Unfortunately, we have to let you go. Okay, so a lot of people are going to lose jobs because the economy is going to be bad. I don't want you guys to get caught off guard and don't know how to make money. Okay, the name of the game is actually making or building your monthly cash flow. Okay, you can't do that by only hodling. Okay, you can't do that by only hodling, because hodling only works when the market goes up. Okay, so I'm trying to get you guys on that level where you make consistent money and you don't have to worry about hodling as your main strategy. Okay, if you guys want to hodl, fine, you can hodl, but you shouldn't make it your main strategy. You should make it like a secondary strategy, because it doesn't allow you to quit your job. Okay, So a good example is this year. The market had been going down the whole year. How can you quit your job and you losing money? You can't. It's impossible. Impossible. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is trying to let you guys know, hey, guys, listen. Okay, I do this full time, and the rich is not playing the same game you're playing. Okay, there's money to make. There's money to be made right now, and you know, all you have to do is study. That's it. Practice, study, practice, study. Stop trying to be an overnight millionaire. Stop doing that. Is XRP going to dip soon? It's very hard to say if XRP is going to dip soon, because if Bitcoin decides to go back to the breakout, which is a possibility, I don't think it's going to do that, but it's a possibility. It's a possibility that Bitcoin can actually have a December rally. Okay, in the stock market, we call it a Christmas rally. Okay, a lot of times at the end of the year, the stock market loves to rally. Okay. So that's a possibility. December, we might have a rally just to fool a lot of people and get a lot of people hopes up, just to go right back to the breakout, form resistance at that breakout, and most likely continue to go back down. But I don't think it's going to go up that high. I don't think they want to bring it up that high, but we'll see. We will see. Okay. Let's see here. Awesome. Thanks. I will sign up now for the 150 course. Really looking forward for learning and working towards being financially free. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Shout out to you. All right. So, Chris, whenever you sign up, let me know when you sign up, because I want to also give you the Discord link that comes with the course. All right. So you can hang out with me, my students. All right, so let me know whenever you buy it. Let me know. You said also, is this a one-time course, or would you also be a mentor? You said a one-time course. So if you're talking about subscription, no, this is a one-time payment. If that's what you're talking about, it's a one-time payment. And if you have any questions, when you if you have any questions, you can hit me up on hit me up in the Discord room. You can private message me. All right. Let's see here. No, I just stopped hodling, like you said. Oh, okay. Shout out to you, Ray. Shout out to you, man. Let me give you a round of applause. All right, let me read these questions here. I read Sierra charges $20 to $40 a month. Is that true? They charge us $20 to $40 a month if your broker isn't giving you a deal on the charts. Okay, so my broker, they giving me a deal, and you don't have to pay anything. Tron. News. Tron, no. Tron don't have news. Just Bitcoin is going up, so Tron is going up too. We have a troll going on. What's going on here? Oh, okay. He put a website or something. You would have people like, where are you? You didn't tell me. Oh, I see. We talking about land. What's the minimum amount a person need to get started with the day trading? Oh, so the day trading. I tell people, at least have 1,500 to 2,000. Okay, I have a student that started out with $1,100. Okay, and he turned that. So far, he basically tripled his money. I mean, tripled his account. But I usually tell people 15 to 2,000. But you could start off with. You could start off with 1,000, but that's just minimum. Like I don't want you guys to go too low. I want you guys to have some cushion. All right. 67 retirement for me. I'm 30 now. Yeah, I know, right? So that means that if you're 30 right now, you got to work what 37 more years. That's crazy, bro. 37 more years. You got to wake up, go in traffic, Say yes, boss. No, boss. Okay, boss. All right, boss. For 37 years. That's crazy. Thought Bitcoin would drop. Robin said thought Bitcoin will drop below 3K. I don't know if that's I don't know if you're laughing, Robin. I said I believe Bitcoin will go below 1K. Okay. Doesn't mean it's going to happen tomorrow. Like, that's funny, right? Like, it's funny how people see one green bar and they just automatically have confidence. Okay. I never put a date on anything. I just said I believe Bitcoin will go below 1K. It's probably not going to happen this year. Might happen next year. And it is what it is. Yeah, I know, right, Bina? I know, exactly. That is true, Bina. You said Bitcoin will keep going down. You said Bitcoin will keep going down. Advise your viewers not to buy, and Bitcoin is going up. So hold on. So you basically saying that Bitcoin is going up because you see one green bar, bro? First of all, you're probably a person that watched one video and now you think you are an expert. First of all, okay, if you have been following me for the whole year, I've been telling you to not buy ever since late February. Okay, so you know how many people I saved, and not only I've been telling you guys not to buy. I've been showing you guys how to actually make money from this, but while the market is going down. So you're a troll, man. I mean, you don't have to, you know, straight up troll. You said, yup, 67. Our debt rises. Retirement age. Oh, yeah, man. Crazy. Lance said, hey, Ben, I have your swing trading course. Is there any point in looking at Section 2 bull market? No. Because you can actually look at it and study it because you know you want to get ready for whenever that next bull run happens. Okay, so you can study it, or you can use that information on other markets like Forex market, the Forex market, whatever. But right now, Bitcoin, no, you don't want to be buying Bitcoin right now. Let me see here. Are you also shorting besides going long? Yes. So crude oil, when I'm day trading, I'm going short and I'm going long. Okay, both. This is why if you want to be, guys, if you want to be a professional, you have to learn how to do both. You can't just be a buyer. You can't just be that guy that's saying, hey, man, I'm going to buy the dips and that's it. No. That's why a lot of people are suffering right now. Okay. This is why, like, just go back to my early videos, right? Last year I was bullish this, bullish that, and this year I'm short this, short that. Why is that, guys? Just think about that for a second. Last year I was bullish. This year I'm talking about short this, short that. It's because as a professional, I can't have some type of strong bias or just only go long or only go short. I have to be able to know how to do both, because this is a great example. Let's say that I only know how to go long. Okay, how can how can I be a professional or actually do this full time if I only go long and I'm losing the whole year? Okay, so the people that only know how to go long, they've been losing the whole year. Okay, it's impossible for me to actually do this full time if I'm losing money every single month. Okay, so in order to fix that, I have to learn how to go short too. All right. So that's what I do in my day trading too. When I'm day trading crude oil, I'm going short and long because you have to learn how to do both. And I'll teach you that, when you get that course. Bitcoin is going back to 3K. It's a trap, guys. Wake up. Shout out to you, Mr. K Slay. Yeah, some people don't think it's a trap, but it is what it is. Let them continue to buy the dips. It is what it is, Okay, so I don't know, puppy. I don't know what you're doing here. You writing the same thing over, so I'm gonna have to get you out of here. GT, what's going on, bro? Ben, I just purchased your swing trading course. Shout out to you, Bina. Let me give you a round of applause in that ka-ching button, okay? Ka-ching button and that round of applause. Thanks a lot, Bina. What I want you to do, guys, whoever bought the course today, what I want you to do is email me. Let me see if I see my email address. Yeah, so my email address is right here, all right? What I want you to do is email me right now so I can give you that Discord room when I get off the live stream, okay? Because I want you guys to get in the Discord room. And like I said, if you have any questions, you can email me too. Shout out to you, though. Thanks a lot, Bina, for supporting the channel and buying the course, okay? Because there's money to be made, and I want you guys to, see that and be a part of that. What's going on, Craig Hands? Do you think BTC will ever break all-time highs? That's a good question. So will BTC ever go back to the highs? I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I mean, if it does, it might take a long time because the way things are looking, I told you guys a long time ago. I actually told you guys last week and all throughout this whole month that I don't like what I see with the crypto market right now. I just don't like it. All right. And what I'm basically talking about is I don't like seeing that the government is actually coming in crypto. I don't like that, guys, because Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, it wasn't designed for the government to come in. It was designed for us have a peer-to-peer transaction. That's it. We don't want no third parties. So I don't like what I see. I know how the government plays. I know how they the tricks that they use and the regulations that they put on certain things. I don't like that. So I think they can actually slow down the market a lot. So if the market decides to go back to the all-time highs, I don't know when. Okay, I have to see how things pan out when this bear market is over. Okay, I think we're gonna have a long bear market though. Let me see here. David said, "I agree. Crash is coming in of the economy." Yes, man. I believe that we're probably gonna have some type of global collapse. A lot of people are gonna lose their jobs. Prices are gonna go up. Food prices are gonna go up. It's gonna be hard. And the great thing about being a trader, even a swing trader, you can actually make money while the economy is bad. That's the one thing I love. Okay, I love that. So when the market is dropping, most people think that traders are losing money. No, we're not losing money, guys. Okay, if the stock market is dropping, we not lose. The people that's losing money is the buy and hold people. The people that's holding. Traders, no, we love when the market drops. Okay, because there's a lot of volatility and it moves. The market moves a lot, so we love that. So when the economy actually decides to slow down and crash, there's a lot of money to be made. And I love being able to make money while the economy is bad. I love that. I don't really know too many businesses can actually make money in a bad economy. I really don't. Chris said done, all signed up. Let me give you that bomb, okay? And let me give you a round of applause, bro. Chris, what I want you to do, I want you to email you and Bina, email me right now. Show me proof that you bought the course, and I want to give you that Discord room right now. Shout out to you guys. As soon as I get off this chat room, this live stream. Shout out to you, Chris, though. David, 150 ain't bad for a program. And basic advice going forward. Yeah. So basically, 150. I should be charging way more than 150. Actually, this price is not the original price. Okay, 150 is actually it's the live stream discount price. So you're only going to see this on live stream. Okay, now when I get off a live stream, it's going to go right back to 300. Let me see here. About to buy it. Will it download on a Discord app? You said will download the disc. Oh, you said you will download the Discord. Okay. Shout out to you, Mike. So basically, Mike, if you get the course, email me. Okay. If you have my email, let me see. This is my email address right there. I just put it in because I had to give you that Discord room. But shout out to you, Mike. Let me read these questions here. You said those people can control easily. What people you talking about? Hey, what's going on, Peter? Wazam said Big Ben has been saying we are in a bear market for months. Yes, exactly. Okay, actually, I've been saying it way before people, even talked about a bear market. And it is what it is. It's funny how people get excited when they see one green bar. Like, this is why, you have to understand. When I went live, if I didn't have any confidence or if I didn't know what I was doing, a lot of people have been calling me out already. Okay, because it takes a lot of guts, right, for a person to basically say the opposite of what most of these crypto YouTubers are saying, right? And not only that, if the market is going up, so let's say that the market is going up like this, and it's looking strong, and it looks like it's about to hit 10,000. And I'm telling you guys, hey man, chill out, don't fall for the trap. You know how hard it is for a guy like me to come on here and tell people, chill out, bro, this is a trap. It's hard because most people is not going to listen. Most people swear up and down that was the bottom. We're going up to 50K, and I say, guys, we are in a bear market. You don't see what's going on. All right, so if you are getting excited off of this green bar right here, that means that you didn't learn from the whole year. You didn't learn from what happened this whole year. That means that you need to work on yourself. If you get excited just because you see one green bar, that means that you have a lot to learn, bro. You have a lot to learn. Let's see here. If you're listening to me, then he made money. If you're listening, then he made money. I don't know. Shout out to you, Wazam. I'm trying to figure out. I'm not quite sure you meant something else. Is the chat for gamers app? Yeah, the Discord is made for. Originally, I think it was a gamer app, but it's not. It's for anything. Like, anybody can use that app for anything. Originally it was made for gamers, but a lot of businesses use that app to communicate with their students and clients. Alrighty, I'm trying to get to these questions real quick because I'm about to get out of here, get some lunch. I definitely appreciate all you guys tuning in though. Let me see here. Let me see if I can get some questions here. As a beginner, day trading, should I do the 150 course first or do the 750 course? It all depends, Addison. It all depends on your situation. Do you have time for day trading. Okay, so if you have time for day trading, I would tell you to get the day trading course because it comes with the crypto course. Okay, the day trading course comes with the crypto course. All right. I mean, I'm sorry, the crypto course comes with the day trading course. So I would tell you to do the day trading course, but it all depends on your schedule too. Okay, so it all depends on your schedule. If you have time to day trade during the day, if you don't, I would tell you to get this course right here, the crypto course, and swing trade it. Okay, because it doesn't matter if you go to work, you can still swing trade. All right. Now, if you want to day trade, you can actually still have a job, but at least your job allows you to either have off maybe 1 or 2 days during the week, or maybe let's say that if you work a certain time during the day, so let's say you have a couple hours to trade in the morning time before you go to work, or if you go to work in the afternoon, then you can still day trade. But like I said, it all depends on your situation. Let me read these questions. Hit the button. You said hit the button. What button? You talking about the loser button? Now I'm not even gonna hit the loser button right now because I think that person is gone. Unless we had another troll. Did we have another troll? I don't think we had another troll. Let me see here. The minute out downtrend. I don't see why people see. I don't see why they keep saying we going to shoot up. So basically, he said when we zoom out, which is very true, guys. Okay, when we zoom out, guys, what do you see? Do you see the market going up, or do you see the market going down? Okay, and that's true, guys. Like, some of you guys have to just use common sense. Okay, and let's look at XRP real quick. All right. Hold on, let me go to XRP. That's the euro. Okay. Let's go to XRP USD. Just squeeze out your chart. Look at the chart. Does this look like a market that looks like it's trying to go up? No. All right. You trust me. The chart will tell you if the market looks like it's trying to go up. That's why I love looking at the charts, and that's why I love only messing with the charts, because the charts will never lie to you guys. Never, ever. All right. Let me see if I see any questions here. And guys, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing money, hit that subscribe button. If you don't understand this market, hit that subscribe button. If you are not making consistent money, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of people telling you that we're going to moon every single month and we're going down, hit that subscribe button. Okay, hit the subscribe button, guys. Let me see. What platform can you use for leverage using low capital? Jamie, are you talking about crypto? Crypto, you can use BitMEX for low cap. No, actually, I don't know. I don't think low capital for BitMEX. Right now, I'm using jafx.com, jafx.com. What else? It's another website I have. Just email me. I don't think it's. Yeah, just email me. You have to probably get a broker that deals with like a forex broker that deals with crypto. Shout out to you, Jason. Christopher said, kind of coming true. What I said that November 30th it will increase $400 more than faster expected, but I'm still expecting downfall very soon again. Yeah. So we're gonna have bounces, Christopher. We're gonna definitely have bounces. I mean, it's obvious. We every time we go down, we do have a bounce. I mean, we just go back, look at the chart. Every single time we dropped, we had a bounce. Okay, we had small bounces and we had large bounces. So we had these big pullbacks, but we continue to go right back down. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to help you guys or remind you guys, hey, don't you see what happened in the past? So stop getting hyped or don't get excited every time you see a green bar. All right. You want to be that guy that's making money, not losing money. All right, here. The trend is your friend, yes. How to, you said how to available 50% discount before the, I'm serious student. You said you're a serious student. I'm trying to figure out exactly what you mean. But basically right now is at 150. So I don't know. Can you reword your question? I'm trying to figure out what you mean by that. Right now is at 150. You don't need any type of we call that discount code. If you go to the link right now, you're gonna see 150. So if you have another question, let me know. I'm trying to, because I really don't understand your question. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, here. So let me see what's going on. I'm trying to read these questions real quick because I'm trying to get out of here. I want to get some lunch real quick, guys. Let me see, Mr. Big Ben, trap. I think that is a trap. You said too good to see a live time. Yeah, I know, man. I hear you, bro. Yeah, you know, I mean, this is the first pump that we had from this drop. So you definitely don't want to be that first guy that decides to hop on this pump. I mean, most likely you're gonna get hammered. But you know, it is a possibility that we can actually test the breakout. But I don't think we're gonna go up that high. I mean, we have resistance right here too. So we will have to see how it tests or how it goes to this 46 level, 46,000 level. So we will see. All right. Which trading has less risk in losing money? Day trading or swing trading? It's very hard to say. Okay, it's very hard to say. They both have risk, but you can't look at risk as in regular risk. You have to look at it as calculated risk. Okay, so basically, the people that's buying these dips, those are the people that's basically throwing away their money because they're guessing. But when you're dealing with a system that is proven, it's not really the guessing is not really in play no more. Is more a calculated risk. So with swing trading, usually you put up more money because you're dealing with less trades during the day. I mean during the month. Okay, so let's say, for example, let's say you get maybe 2 trades a week from swing trading, or let's say 1 week you only get 1 trade for the from swing trading. So you're probably gonna have to put up a little bit more just to get some gains. With day trading, you actually had to put up less. Okay, and it sounds crazy because when most people hear about day trading, they automatically swear that it's risky. And the reason why they think it's risky because society told them that it was risky. Okay, you can never listen to society. Society is always wrong. All right, and the people that brainwash you and make you think that it's risky is the people that control society in the first place. All right, the rich doesn't want you to make money. The rich doesn't want you to figure out how to day trade because they want you to buy and hold so they can take your money when the market goes down. Now with day trading, when you know if you're starting off with 1 contract, that's what most of my students are starting off with. Okay, that's the minimum, right? You're basically losing $100 per trade. Okay, that's not risky at all, and that's why I laugh at people when they say day trading is risky. How day trading is risky when you can actually control your risk. Number one, you can control how much you want to lose, and number two, if you're losing $100 per trade, how is that risky? That's not risky at all. Okay, you know what's risky? Buying Bitcoin at 19,000 and putting 20K on it, and then all of a sudden you're down 85%. That's risky. Okay, losing $100 here, $100 here, that's not risky at all. And also, if you have a proven system and a strategy, you're gonna see your profits. Okay. Let's see here. Mike said I just purchased. So let me give you a round of applause, bro. Shout out to you, bro. So Mike, I want you to Mike, I want you to email me. And anybody that bought the course, just email me, proof that you got the course. And I'm going to send you that Discord room, okay? Shout out to you, though, Mike. If you have any questions, let me know. And anybody else that bought the course, if you have any questions, let me know. Madam said, how come on green days, everyone on Twitter always has bullish news? You see, I'm starting to suspect. You said, all right. You see, I'm starting to suspect this is just a way to control people from selling and keeping their profits. Yeah, I know, right? It sounds crazy, right? And that's what, you don't want to fall into that crazy bullish news crap. Okay, that's because think about it for a second, guys. I remember right here. I remember we getting good news right here, and everybody was saying, oh, back was coming in and Wall Street was coming in, ETFs. And I remember I took a short right here. And I made money off of Bitcoin, right? But imagine if I didn't know how to read the chart and I was listening to I was listening to the Twitter and news. I would be buying the top right here. I'd be buying the top and getting smashed. So that's why you never listen to the news, because the news will always hype you up and make you think that we are going to the moon. All right. So we got some trolls already. What's going on here? I mean, we got some trolls. I'm seeing a lot of a lot of things deleted. Like, what's going on? Let me see, because I'm trying to get out of here, guys, and I see trolls already. Like, what's going on? All right, let me go through these questions real quick so I can get out of here. I'm trying to get some lunch. Hey, you always used to say that that BTC is going down to 35, and it happened. So what's up now? Yes, so I said, guys, I said that, once Bitcoin breaks this, my first level was like around 4,900, and then I can see Bitcoin going to at least 35 to 3,000, right? And those when I say something like that, that's just me. I just mean that, that those are just little pit stops, okay? A pit stop. I believe that Bitcoin will continue to go down because there's no reason why Bitcoin should go up right now, okay? The government is doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes. They're trying to bring down a lot of scammers. Also, if you go to CoinMarketCap, a lot of these coins that are worth a lot, these coins are useless, okay? They're not doing anything in the real world, so a lot of these coins have to go to zero. So what now? Well, basically, I definitely explained to you guys what happened, or what I feel. Just go back to the video, or go back to the replay. Basically, I said that we're gonna probably find resistance at probably 46, 48. If we find resistance right there, we can actually continue to go down, or we can actually decide to go back to the breakout, which is around 56, 58. That's a possibility. I don't think they want to go up that high, but it is a possibility. Let's see here. Craig Hand said, I bought the course and it is well worth the money. Let me give you a round of applause. Craig is actually one of my students. Shout out to you, Craig. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for letting these guys know. What's up, Big Ben? What do you think about this run up? Trap? Yeah, I think it's a trap. I definitely think it's actually. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it broke out of this big triangle that we had, and if you want to buy this first big pullback, you know, that's risky. Do I think this is a possibility we could go up more? Yes, I do. And you're gonna see the trolls, right, guys? You know, I said it first here. You're gonna see the trolls come on my live stream, okay, and laugh and say, ha 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 ha, I thought you said Bitcoin was gonna go down. Watch, you're gonna see. I had to deal with that all year, guys. I had to deal with that when we was going up right here, when we was going up right here, right here, right here. Like, I had to deal with that all year. You know, ha 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 ha. And then when it drops down and goes, these guys disappear. I don't see them no more. Let me see here. Let me go to these questions real quick. When are you doing another live stream, bro? Thinking about buying your course. Just busy right now. Yes, shout out to you. I don't know, bro. Let me see. Tomorrow is Thursday. I might do one tomorrow around 8 p.m. Eastern time. Either 8 p.m. or 8:30 Eastern time tomorrow. I thought about doing one later on today, but I don't think I feel like it. I think I was just chilling, probably watch some basketball. Are the courses one-time fee? Yes. So this course is a one-time fee, and my day trading course is a one-time fee. Okay. Email me if you want to know about the day trading course, but the swing trading course is definitely all of them is one-time fee. Aces said, I'm about to get your day trading course, Ben, in the next 2 days, next day or two. I'm feeling confident about it, especially when you say it's going to improve my swing trading. Oh, yes. Okay, so day traders, the reason why it's going to improve your swing trading, I guess let me give you this example, Aces. Let's say that you're trying to get good at playing basketball, right? Do you think, right, you're going to get good if you only practice twice a month? No. Okay, the person that practices more is the person that's usually going to be real good. So what day trading does, it helps you, or it makes you be in the market on a consistent basis, and you basically brainwashing your brain and learning the ins and outs of the market and how it works every single day. Okay, so that alone is going to help you become a master when it comes to learning the markets, and it will help you with your swing trading too. Wazam says, should we sell? Wazam, are you still in cryptos right now? What do you have? Let me see what's going on. So I have a troll. What's going on? He said, he's selling your course for 150. Actually, I'm selling my course for 300. I'm giving people a discount. Okay, so let's see what's his troll. Another troll saying. Let's see. He said this is a rip off. Okay, so let me ask you this, Rev. Okay, so if it's a rip-off, how come my students is making money? Okay, I have testimonials right here. How come this person made $400? How come this person made $130? How come this person made $400? How come this person made $450? How come this person made 10%? How come this person made 5%? How come this person made $250? How come this person made $400? How come this person made $4K? How come this person made $600? How come this person made $250? How come this person made $800? Actually, this person made 15. It's 15,000. So shout out to you, bro. Let me see here. Man, it said another troll. Yeah, another troll, man. It's all good. It's all good, bro. I would hit that. I would hit that loser button, but I'm trying to get some lunch right now. Trying to get some lunch real quick, bro. What's going on, Crypto Inspo? Rufus said Ben's course for day trading definitely works if you are willing to put in that work and study. Let me give you a round of applause, guys. I mean, Rufus. Rufus is actually one of my day trading students, so he should know. And I love when my students, you know, tell you guys what's the deal, because I can actually come on here and talk my butt off if I want to, but it doesn't matter what I say. Okay, it matters what my students say. So shout out to Rufus. BTC going to 1K. Let's go. Shit, yeah, you crazy, bro. Lunch is 8 p.m. here. Yeah, man, I'm on the East Coast, bro. I'm on the East Coast. It's 2:19 p.m. over here. You said you only have XRP. Should you sell? Bro, I can't give you financial advice, but I don't like how the crypto market is looking right now. A lot of all I can say is a lot of my students sold, and if I was holding right now, I would sell. Okay, that's the only thing I can tell you. I can't really tell you or give you financial advice. You know, I wish you guys took some profit when it spiked up right here. I don't like what I see right now. The market still looks weak, even though we have in this green bar, it still looks weak. Jason said, this course doesn't just help you make money. It changes your entire life. Thanks, Ben. Shout out to Jason. Let me give you that bomb. Shout out to you, bro. And let me give you that round of applause too. Thanks a lot, bro. Jason's actually one of my students. Okay. So, at the end of the day, you know, it's up to you guys. Let me see. Let me read these other questions. If BTC breaches 46, is it a good short term? Very risky? No. Basically, Bitcoin. Let me see here. Let me look at the moving average. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Let me adjust this moving average. Shoot. I don't know. Let's put it to 50 or something like that. Man, so the moving average is so far away from the daily chart. So right now is at the 50 moving average. I believe that it's a possibility we can actually go to 46, 4,800, but it might find resistance around here. We will see. Okay, we will see. All right. But taking a short when the market is going down is never risky. Even if you take a small loss, okay, it's never risky because you're going with the main trend. You always want to go with the main trend. Lord of Boy said, Ben courses is not for lazy hodlers. So let me give you a round of applause, bro. Okay. If you are trying to make $1 million overnight, okay, I'm here to tell you guys it doesn't exist. All right. You know how to you want to know how to make a lot of money. This is how you make a lot of money. Okay. You find whatever you want to do. Let's say that you want to open up a clothing store. Okay. Let's say you want to open up a clothing store. This is what you do. Okay. You do research on that clothing store. Okay. You find out about your industry. You find out how things work. Who is your buyers? Where your buyers hang out at? You find out the whole works, guys. You find out everything about your industry, okay? And then you find out the clothes that's selling, blah blah blah. You do the marketing, and boom, okay? That's how you make money, okay? Now, when it comes to trading in the markets, okay, how you make money is the same way. You do research. You find out, okay, how things work. You can't just be a person that just saying, oh, I just want to buy and hope that my coin goes up. That's not doing research at all, guys. Reading the news is not research. Reading a white paper is not research, guys. You have to understand how things work, okay? If you don't understand how things work, then you learn from others that's doing this, okay? You learn from people that's actually successful. And you learn from them. That's how you can actually speed up your success. But you can't learn from being lazy. You can't. lazy is just it's not gonna work. I never met a lazy millionaire in my life. All right, let me get out of here, guys. I appreciate everybody that came on my live stream. Like I said, if you're tired of losing, if you're tired of hearing these moon videos, if you're tired of hearing we're going to the moon and we're going down every single month, definitely hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that subscribe button right now. I told you guys later, the people that bought my course, I'm going to email you right now. Make sure that you email me too. I told you guys later, I'm hungry. I don't know what I'm going to get to eat, but I told you guys later. And please study. And always look to improve, guys. All right. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.